Your body isn't just a machine, and you shouldn't treat it like one. It's a flowing river of energy. That's where the ancient art of traditional Chinese medicine begins. For over 2,500 years, TCM hasn't just treated symptoms. It's mapped the entire landscape of life force, or qi. Picture this. Qi flows inside your entire body through invisible pathways called meridians, like rivers nourishing the land. Health? It's about keeping these rivers flowing freely. Sickness? It's a blockage, a drought, or a flood. TCM sees balance in everything. Yin and yang, the cool moon and warm sun within us. Too much yang, it causes inflammation or restlessness. Too much yin, it can result in fatigue or chill. TCM also connects us to nature through the 5 elements: wood, fire, earth, metal, water, each governing organs and emotions. Your fiery temper could be a wood element flare-up. While modern medicine zooms in on a single broken part, TCM steps back. It looks at everything. Your pulse, which tells a complex story, your tongue's color, your sleep, even your emotional weather. Why? Because a headache isn't just a headache. Is it stress, liver qi stagnation, or maybe exhaustion causing a kidney yin deficiency? The treatment? Restoring harmony. Think acupuncture needles redirecting qi, either herbs tailored like precision formulas to cool heat or boost energy, or cupping to move stagnation. So how is this approach different? Modern medicine is incredible for acute crises. Think antibiotics for infections or surgery for trauma. It's like sending in a specialized SWAT team. TCM, it's more like preventative city planning and ecosystem management. Modern medicine often targets specific molecules. TCM targets your whole pattern of imbalance. One fights the invader, the other strengthens the terrain. It's not either or. They're fundamentally different maps of the same territory. TCM offers a profound, holistic view of health. Interconnected, dynamic, and deeply personal. It reminds us that true wellness isn't just the absence of disease, but vibrant, balanced energy flowing freely. It's a conversation with your own body, written over millennia. So next time you feel out of sorts, ask yourself, is my river flowing? Imagine a flooded field. Modern medicine might send in a pump to remove the excess water. TCM, on the other hand, would look at the whole system. Are the ditches clogged? Maybe it's time to clear them out. But it's also crucial to check the larger watershed. Were there heavy rains upstream? Perhaps some fields further down the line are parched. It's a balancing act. And just like water needs to flow, so does qi, the vital energy that animates us. In TCM, health is a dynamic process, a constant interplay of these various energies. It's not a static state of being. When we're healthy, we're in a state of balance, where these energies flow smoothly and harmoniously. But when we get sick, it's because that harmony is disrupted. TCM offers a profound, holistic view of health. Interconnected, dynamic, and deeply personal. It reminds us that true wellness isn't just the absence of disease, but vibrant, balanced energy flowing freely. If this video got you curious, subscribe for more helpful content, and also check out our recommended reading list in the video description below.